Today we have the big kahuna cutters out because our sunflowers are gigantic and we're gonna breathe in a second life to them by deadheading them. Deadheading is actually the process of taking a flower that's nearly done blooming and chopping off at the first leaf node in order to repropagate some growth. So we're gonna go ahead, head over to our sunflowers so you can see how large they are and how to actually do this. Come on. I've gone ahead and climbed into our sunflower bed. I'm within all of the vines and I'm gonna pick the sunflower that I want to use. Right now we are growing out a lot of our sunflowers in order to also get sunflower seeds for them. So one, we can actually regrow them again for next year. Ooh, that breeze feels really nice. As well as have some yummy sunflower seeds to eat. So we're gonna go ahead, pick one, either the biggest or I have one that's pretty big but also not looking too great, so we might practice on that one as well. And I might be able to grab it a little bit better. So I'm gonna set you guys up and we'll go ahead and chomp off where it goes. So we're gonna go ahead, I chose this one right here. And what we're gonna do is right before it bends, we're gonna clip right above the leaf node there. So there's still a lot of leaves, it can regrow and we'll get it. So I have these big old choppers. I'm gonna try to make as clean of a cut as I can. Okay, so this sunflower was pretty dead. So we went ahead and just got this one. Now you can see on the inside that the seeds are getting pretty big in there. So we'll go ahead, dry this guy out. But I'm gonna show you what another younger sunflower looks like that we ended up deadheading and is now actually growing from that. So let's go over here and check that out. Okay, so this is an example of a much smaller version of our sunflower, but we actually deadheaded this one and it's now growing multiple buds. We have 2 buds on this node, 1 bud on here and 1 bud on here. So 4 sunflowers are regrowing where we deadheaded this one. And of course they haven't blossomed yet, but it's something that you can get excited for. What's great about deadheading is you get to actually enjoy your sunflowers while they're blossoming, and then you get to watch them blossom again. So it's really extending the life of your flowers and letting you enjoy them for an even longer season.